We are out here to check out my fruit trees. So if you see this one, I have pomegranate. I hope you're able to see it. Yeah, right there. So these are my pomegranates here. There are a few more on the top. You can see right there. Yeah. So these are pomegranates growing very nicely this season, and there is nothing quite like biting into a pomegranate right off the tree. That joy is absolutely unbelievable. I think these are ready to be plucked. And this here is my mango tree. It's 3 years old, and I think it's still yet to grow a little bigger to give me fruits. So we have 2 or 3 of these mango trees on our farm. So they are all really small right now because our farm is a very new farm, and they're all still in the growing stages. Over there is my guava. This is one of the newest guava plants which have been planted here. So let's get a close-up of that. Okay, taking you towards this new guava plant, and it is fruiting amazingly. There are about, I think, 30-40 of guavas in the here, everywhere. Lots and lots of tiny little guavas. So pretty, so tasty. So these are all from a single plant. Can you see all these? I'm not able to show you every single one of them. The lighting is not good. It's almost 12 noon here. It's really getting hot out here, but I really wanted to show you this. So you see, beautiful guavas. Probably another few weeks and we'll be ready to eat it. Yum! This here is our banana plants. It's literally a banana grove, if you see. So we've just harvested a few plantains over there. They all grew, and if you see how the banana grows, it has this stem propagation. The mother plant gives rise to the other tiny little saplings around it. So if you see, there are so many saplings growing under each of these trees. So I have this one here which is started fruiting well, and I've harvested a few here already. And if you see the other one over there, yeah, these are both raw banana varieties. I did want Yelaki and Rastali varieties, but somehow that didn't happen. I'm yet to see those fruits. So happy with this for now. I'm sure we'll be harvesting more of Rastali and Yelaki soon. But right now, these raw bananas are going to be converted into chips, stir fries, maybe some fritters. Let's see.